Every day in our life, we see lot of changes happening around us. Like carpenters converts wood to chair. When we stretch the rubber, its shape changes. Or grapes, when left at the room temperature for many days, it gets spoiled. Likewise, milk becoming curd is a change. We have classified all these changes around us into two categories. First one is physical change and second one is chemical change. Now question arises, what is physical change and chemical change? Let us understand. We can define physical change as a process in which the physical property of a substance undergoes changes, not the substance itself. In simple words, physical properties of the substance will change, not substance itself. Now the question is, what is physical property? So, definition of physical properties is the property of any substance which is measurable, observable and whose value describes its state of physical form. Example, its color, shape, size, etc. That is, what is the color of the substance or what is the size of substance. Likewise, we saw in our previous examples that wood is changed in chair or rubber is stretching. Can you think what is changing here? Yes, you are right. Here, their physical properties are changing, like shape of wood changed or length of rubber changed. Note students, here no new substance are formed because wood is still wood and rubber is still rubber, as their chemical properties have not changed. While remember, our other two examples, spoiling of grapes and curdling of milk, here chemical properties of these substances get changed. Thus, these are two examples of chemical change. So we define chemical change as change in which one or more new substances are formed is called a chemical change. A chemical change is also called a chemical reaction. That is, chemical change can happen only after chemical reaction. Also remember students, physical and chemical change can occur simultaneously. For example, when milk changes into curd, both physical and chemical change happen at same time. We see that milk is liquid while curd is solid. This is physical change. Where milk has lactose sugar while curd has lactic acid as its chemical components. Let us go back to the chemical reaction or chemical change. Consider summertime where temperature is high. In such time, when milk is kept outside, what will happen? Milk gets spoiled. Taste will change. Its color will also change. Also, ingredients of milk will change. This implies that milk completely changes to some other substances with new properties. Let us take one more example of rusting of iron nail. Iron nail is shiny object initially, but when it is kept in a humid atmosphere, it will react with oxygen and moisture present in atmosphere and forms a new chemical layer called rust. This process is called rusting. Thus, this rust is new substance with new chemical properties. Let us take one more example, that is burning of wood. When wood is burned, it turns to what? Yes, ash. Here, are properties of wood and ash same? No, they are different. So, ash is our new substance. Thus, what we conclude? What is chemical change or chemical reaction? It is the process in which one or more new substances are formed. This is known as chemical reaction or chemical change. Now we know what are chemical change or chemical reaction. But how do we know that a chemical reaction has taken place or not? We will see it in next video.